Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Life Skills with Mr. Carr. I am Mr. Carr. Today we're going to be doing some cooking and nutrition. I was making scrambled eggs for lunch, so I thought, well, why not do a video about that? So first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have your materials. So I have my bowl to whisk my eggs in, and my fork to do that with. I have a spatula. I have my frying pan, and it's already on the heat here. I have my 2 eggs. Okay, you can do as many as you want. You can do egg whites if you want, but the yolks are really good for good fat and protein, so I like to do the whole thing. I have some milk over here as well to whisk with my eggs to make them nice and fluffy, and then I have some Greek yogurt to throw in at the end. I'll explain that later. Some pepper. I have some kosher salt in here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit coarser grain than table salt, and it's really nice. I have some olive oil, that's already in the pan heating up. I have some grated mozzarella cheese as well. I'm going to put that at the end to make my eggs nice and cheesy. Okay. Alright, so I have my pan here on low heat. Make sure you check with your parents before you use your stove, just to make sure it's safe. Make sure you're checking with your parents before you're doing any kind of cooking in the kitchen, just to make sure you're doing things safely. So I have that going. I have it on a low heat. It's about a 3 on my stove. Check with your parents as well about how to use your stove. And there's Audrey going. So I have my eggs already cracked in the bowl here. I'm going to put a little dollop of milk in there. Just a little splash. Not too much because I don't want too much liquid in there. And then I'm going to whisk these up. Okay, so you want to whisk these up until they're nice and frothy. I'll kind of show you what mine look like. That's what mine look like. Okay, I'm going to toss these in the pan. You might hear a little sizzle. And if that's the case, which I am, I'm going to just keep moving my eggs. And I'm going to turn my heat down really low because I don't want to get these too crispy. I'm going to take them off the heat actually while I do that. And they're already cooking really fast, so that tells me my heat was a little too high. This is where I can start putting in some salt, pepper at the end here. It doesn't take very long to get them nice and fluffy. Mine are already close to done here. So I'm going to take them off the heat actually and throw some pepper. Put my salt in there. This is where I'm going to throw my cheese in too to get that melting. The cheese is already nice and melty. Throw these in my bowl. Throw my dollop of yogurt in there. Get that going around to stop that cooking process and make them nice and velvety smooth. Like I said, you can use creme fraiche. So eggs have residual heat, which means they keep cooking for a long time after you're finished. So you can take them off heat early, or you can throw something cold like sour cream or like a full fat or a 2% Greek yogurt in there to make them fluffy and stop the cooking process. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. This is a za'atar spice, which is a Middle Eastern blend. I'll toss that in there too. And there you have it. Some light, fluffy, cheesy scrambled eggs with lots of colorful veggies, and the colors tell me there are lots of vitamins. So I'm going to go and enjoy this for my lunch. Thanks for watching.